Hello and welcome everybody. Today we are going to be making a very quick guacamole Granda edition. Let me show you what ingredients you need. Small tomatoes, 1 lemon, red onion, avocado, and just your typical sour cream. First thing that you want to do is get some red onion, sprinkle probably about, depending on how much you want to have, 3 teaspoons. Now the next thing we're going to do is cut the tomatoes finely. So it's cut in half, then cut into a quarter, within a quarter, and you can also do it into these sort of sizes as well. You can keep them in those chunk sizes because once you have it with your chips or any type of profession that you would like, these actually taste really good within the guacamole. So that's what the tomatoes should be like, good chunk sizes for when you're eating stuff. It tastes really good. Next thing that you want to do with the lemon is you need to want to get one of these. It's where you can squeeze the lemon juice and it will go into there. You remove these seeds out once you've done that. You're going to cut the lemon in half, grab your lemon squeezer, and just go like this. Once you're done squeezing, you'll get juice looking like that, and then you just got to remove the seeds out. Once you think you've got all the seeds out, you then just pour the lemon juice into the bowl. You get your sour cream and just get all of the sour cream out to put into your bowl. Finally, you get your avocado. Again, like the lemon, I would cut in half, or you can go this way. Preferably this way might be your best bet. You just go right around, and do remember there is a big seed when you cut into this. There you go, now it'll look like that. And you just take the big seed out. Sometimes it might be difficult, but always make sure to get a soft avocado from the shops, as it's much more easier to grab out and it'll be more mushier when you put it into your guacamole. If you have a hard avocado, you'll be needing to let it set for a few days before it will be able to be soft and gooey like this avocado is. The next best part is, this is where I recommend wearing gloves, is now you just get a spoon if you like to, or get your hands and just literally put it in like so. Once you've done that, all your ingredients should look like this. And now this is where it takes a while. You just got to literally stir everything together and it will come out a very nice light green color. So let's get mixing. Once stirred, you have yourself a very delicious guacamole. Hope you'll enjoy. Taste test time. That's one good guac.